Alright, I don't know how any of this is going to turn out here. I haven't done a set of these in a long time. Anyway, you can pick these up. These are the actual spark plug plier crimper things that make the job go a whole lot easier. I've got plug wire 1 here. Now I measured it to the center of the hole, but when you put the connector on, this has to go through the boot and bend 90 degrees. So if that ends up bending 90 degrees and it stops where the line is, it's going to take up some of my distance. So I'm actually going to go ahead and cut these 1.5 inches longer. Reason for the 1.5 inches. Anyway, the reason for the 1.5 inches longer is I need a 1/2 inch to strip back. So if I want it 1 inch longer than where it's at, then I need another 1/2 inch to strip off to expose the conductor. So I'm going to use the biggest hole here because you don't want to nick or cut the internal wires. And I didn't actually cut all the way through because I don't know if I'm dead center. Anyway, I guess first we can just go ahead and cut the excess off. Then I'll come back to strip 1/2 inch in, try to get it centered. Cut a bit in, you'll feel it cut in. Don't try to cut it all in one pass because you don't want to cut the center core there. And it looks like that worked out pretty good. Got a couple little strays there. These are fiberglass or nylon threads just to screw with my scissors. Just for strength to help as the wires get yanked around. So anyway, I just mainly want them short enough that I don't have to mess with them too much. They're not going to affect a whole lot. Now this is silicone grease. You can pick it up any part store. Basically I'm going to smear a little on the end of the wire here because trying to get these boots on, it's probably going to be a real pain in the butt without some silicone. So shove that in with the silicone. Let's get the needle nose. We're going to reach in here, and actually it might be better on the next one to wait to strip it until after we get it through here. Alright, so we've got it through there. Okay. Now, the way that's spread, it doesn't want to fit down into the groove there. So we're going to get it a bit in position here. You fold the wire down under, and it goes down pinched underneath. We're going to just help that along a little bit with the needle nose there. I'm going to stick it in there. And give it a nice squeeze. We're going to do it again here because the crimpers aren't wide enough to do it in one squeeze. Okay, so hopefully it'll come out and you can see it well enough. The wire goes down underneath, so the wire is actually down underneath here. You know, and that should be pretty stout. Stick it right down on the end here again, and so now we can pull the boot back down. I want to leave it sticking out so I know for a fact it snaps into that distributor, and then I can push the boot down, and we'll see how that comes out.